Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I've got a beautiful cup of leftovers with 14 by 14 inch canvas just waiting for me to fill it up. I'm going to use a few more colors added into that, starting with some, well, I would start with some black enamel if it was still open, but it's not. Maybe it should be white enamel. No, I'm going to use some black enamel, and I'm going to do a stripy ribbon pour. I was kind of contemplating doing more of my funnel pours because I've been completely obsessed with them lately. But I just did one that was a combination of both. I want a bunch of orange and I want a bunch of gold. And I'm just going to put that black enamel right in there. And I'm just going to put that orange right in there too. And maybe some more of that lighter color orange. And if I have some copper, I do. Put some of that in there too. Strange combination maybe. We'll see. So, let's just give me some paint to cover my canvas and hope I don't drop too many flakes in because I'm covered with flakes. Get my bottles out of the way. Best paint spreading tool I know of, OXO omelet turning spatula. I am trying to do too much too fast. I am going to be pulling an edge catcher out because I think I might have used a little more paint than I need to. But that might also be a really good thing because I have wanted to leave enough paint in between my stripes so I can find out what happens. Maybe let's just do some really big wide or big stripes with spaces in between. And I'll just let whatever comes off come off. I'm going to prop that spatula up because there's enough black paint on there to make me think I could probably use it again. Alright, here goes nothing. What will happen? I do not know, but I have beautiful colors. I want a little more orange in there. Beautiful colors. I did not get much. Okay, experiment onward. Let me grab an edge catcher that isn't stuck to every other edge catcher. Maybe. I think I ought to hit that with a torch really fast too, because that way if there are bubbles they'll go, but if there are patterns waiting to come out, like over here, they'll do that. I got some really cool patterns actually. I'm going to go this way first. Oh, please work. I don't know that this is going to work. I'll let all that go right down there and touch my edges with it. I used to do stripes like this. Not just like this, but not dissimilarly. So what do I want to do that makes it different than it is? I want to put some of this beautiful purple flash from Folk Art in there. Maybe a little more over here too. And then also, but I can't stop two sides at once with an edge catcher. Not yet anyway. I haven't figured out how to do that. But I'm going to let all that go down that way. And then maybe even travel back again. Hopefully you can see some of that. There's some black enamel in there, so if I have to put gold in and swipe it, I will. I didn't put any gold in there. I am going to cover my edge with the paint I've got. that's fallen down on my edge catcher. I have a rather large, something so large I'm not even going to bother with my tweezers. So, I'm not super thrilled yet. And I wanted to do drip art for a while. So now I'm going to do that. Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link. The Amazon link is under the link tree. It's under the video. I kind of lost my perfect diagonal, but that doesn't matter. I've got some turquoise in here and I want to use it. And whatever comes off the edge catcher, I'm not sure what I'll do with that. I might have to just spread that on my Lolafee silicone mat. I like the orange very much. And if I can get even a little bit more out of this bottle with something stuck right in the... I got it! Look at that! That's so cool! It came right out. Must be a meant to be thing. Just picking a few places that I'd like to see that. I could also put a skewer in there. But I'm liking my stripes. They're looking very, very organic, in fact. I might have to take my edge catcher up, put it somewhere else though, because I am losing a lot of paint off my painting. Let's see if I can just stick my fingers in there. And maybe when it settles down, I can do something with that. That's actually really beautiful. At least I think that's really beautiful. I'm going to quick like a bunny wipe along the edge so that the paint stops flowing over. If you have heavy paint on your canvas and you've just dumped a bunch of it off, it will leave quite a bit under the edges and it will pull the paint above it off. That's beautiful. I like that a lot. No idea what I'm going to do with my extra paint. Really didn't think I was going to have extra paint, but it is what it is, and I'm going to torch that in a second right after I get some paint off my hands. And look at it, and that's just gorgeous. I'm really not unhappy at all. I'm not even sure that I need to do anything but get rid of some lumps. Didn't get any brown. Love those little yellow streaks. Might want some more. Oh, that's a thing. Come here, thing. No things allowed. I know it's Halloween. Things should always be allowed in Halloween. Alright, I'm going to torch like I said I was. So there's over 90,000 people subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much. And if you're new, please be welcomed. If this is going to come out, I'm going to finish that little line right there. Yeah, where else? Anywhere else? Maybe this other little spot that I liked a lot. There I go, rhyming again. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, reminding you that if you need to have Christmas cards or anything at all that you happen to think would look great with my art on it, check out my Fine Art America pixels.com or Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Totes and more to see what's on offer. This is cool. I would have a t-shirt with this in the middle of the chest. That would not make me unhappy at all. Really neat patterns. I am going to have to go through and look for all the little things that don't seem to belong. I ordered new tweezers. You can get tweezers on my Amazon link, and you can get the OXO omelet turning spatula there too, as well as the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, mini blades. Awesome things to have. So please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for liking my videos and watching them longer. You help me by doing so. If you are interested in helping keep the studio survive, contributing through PayPal or Patreon will also get you entrance into the monthly drawing. And you can see the prizes for the monthly drawing on the video, on the end screen of any video. Pretty much, most of the time. I have a couple of spots along the bottom edges of my canvas to touch up, which I will make sure are touched up. And I'm kind of wishing this was a gallery wrap because this is so cool. I love it. It's a simple concept, but it's working for me. I love you guys. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Don't forget I have 1,600 videos, and you can find them on my YouTube channel on all playlists, creative playlists. And I will be happy to see you there again anytime. If you have questions, feel free to ask me. And I want some of that blue. If you need my pouring recipe, it's under the video. Oh yeah, that's not going to hurt my feelings. This blue does tend to sink, so I'm not sure I can keep it. Maybe if I flood coat it in there, I can keep some. That's the Venetian blue from Modern Masters. I'm not unhappy with that at all, and I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Very much. Thank you for all the wonderful compliments. Thank you for all of the financial support over time that has helped keep me painting. I really, really, really appreciate it. Look under the link tree for Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. And my Teespring is under the video with all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. I said you could ask me questions. You can find tomorrow's video on the community board on my YouTube channel or on my Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation. And I will tell you one last time, I love you. I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Oh, I should zoom in. I don't know why. Because there's some pretty colors in there. And neat shapes, too. I like it. A lot. A diagonal stripe. A diagonal organic stripe. Alright, you guys. I will see you anon. Priscilla out.